Assalamu alaikum. I am Fizar Rahman. My roll number is 70. I am from BS Chemistry, assignment of zoology, submitted to Professor Imran. Today the topic is class anthozoon. Firstly, we discuss what is class anthozoon. Class anthozoon is belong to the phylum cnidaria. It is the biggest class of this phyla. It contains more than 6,000 species. Now we discuss its morphology. Members of the class anthozoa display only polyp morphology and have cnidocytes covered tentacles around their mouth opening. Anthozoan polyps differ from hydrogen polyps in various aspects. Externally, anthozoan appear to show perfect radial symmetry. Internally, the mesenteries and other structures convey biradial symmetry to members of this class. There are a number of examples of this class. One of its examples is sea anemone. Sea anemone is included in class anthozoon. They are solitary, frequently large and colorful. Some attach to solid substrates, some burrow in soft substrate, and some live in symbiotic relationship. The polyp attaches to its substrate by paddle disc. Anemones have limited locomotion. They glide on their paddle disc, crawl on their slides, and walk on their tentacles. Some anemones float using a gas bubble held within folds of the paddle disc. Here is a diagram of sea anemone. Now we discuss its mesenteries. Mesenteries are arranged in pairs, some attached to the body wall at their outer margin to the pharynx along their inner margin. Other mesenteries attached to the body wall but are free along their entire inner region. Now we discuss its muscle fibers. Muscle fibers are largely gastrodermal. Longitudinal muscles band are restricted to the mesenteries. Circular muscles are in gastrodermis of the column. Anemones show both sexual and asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, a piece of paddle disc may break away from the polyp and grow into a new individual called paddle deciduation. Anthozoon may be monoecious or dioecious. One of the important terms is protandry. In monoecious species, male gametes mature earlier than female gametes, so that self-fertilization does not occur. This is called protandry. Sea anemones are all marines and are found in depth of sea. Next example of class anthozoon is stony coral polyp. Here's the diagram of this. Stony coral polyp is named derived from a cup-like calcium carbonate exoskeleton that epithelial cells secrete around the base and the lower portion of the column. Now we discuss its reproduction. Sexual reproduction is similar to that of anemones, and asexual budding produces other members of the colony. The colorful octocorallian corals is common in warm waters. They have 8 pinnate tentacles, 8 mesenteries, or 1 symphonoglyph. Sea fans, sea pens, sea whips, red corals, and organ pipes are members of this class. There are nearly 1,000 species vary in size from some millimeter in diameter and length to about 1.5 meter in diameter. The reference of class anthozoon is taken from the Miller-Harley Book of Zoology, 5th edition. Allah Hafiz. Thank you, sir.